Hey guys, hey, I have a question for you. Do you think a single medicine can work for all the diseases, or a single tool can help you to resolve all the problems in this particular aspect? No, right? Then, how can you use a single manifesting technique for resolving all various purposes of the life? I see people using various techniques of law of attraction for their purpose to get their purpose solved. Of course, it's fine. Finally, it's everyone's wish. But it's important to know what tool has to be used for what purpose. There are plenty of videos over the internet for 3 by 33, 4 by 44, 5 by 55, 6 by 66 and 7 by 77 techniques. These techniques of course are awesome. They work amazingly. But every technique has a purpose. You can't use any technique which is not meant for the purpose. So with this, we'll try to discuss something more in the depth that how exactly we should use this technique and where it has to be used. Guys, I am Vivek Mantri. I am a certified law of attraction trainer. I am certified from Global Science Foundation USA by Dr. Joe Vitale. Also, I am an emotional wellness coach and I conduct workshops across India on emotional wellness and law of attraction. So today we'll try to understand that why these techniques don't work and how to make them work. So for example, if we take 3 by 33 technique, 3 by 33 technique, which means you have to write a particular intention 33 times for non-stop for 3 days. This technique has to be used when you want to gather the all scattered ends, when you want to get everyone united, when you want to make everything under same roof, when you want to get everyone aligned with the single purpose of the goal, when you want your various things to be focused in one direction, then you have to use this technique. It is meant to channel all the energies, all the focus of various scattered ends in the particular direction. So 3 by 33 is used only and only when you want to close all the ends and make a single channel and make the things work. Just like making the factory work, everyone is driven towards a common goal. 3 by 33 works when you are driven towards a common goal, when you want to close all the open ends. Similarly, if we go for 4 by 44 technique, it works amazingly when you are looking for prosperity, when you are looking for relationships, when you are looking for happy relationships. It makes amazing difference. Write down 44 times your intention for 4 days and see the magic. Now comes the most popular technique over the internet, 5 by 55. People use this technique for various purposes, but trust me guys, this will not work because this technique 5 by 55 is meant to tear off the problems, to get rid of the problems. If you really want to get a solution out of some particular problem, if you want to get rid of some issue, if you want to tear off certain thing which you really don't need in the life, any problem, any relationship, anything, it can be anything, then you have to use this technique 5 by 55. It is specifically meant for destruction. It is specifically meant for destruction. Yes, destruction always doesn't mean destroying. It means cutting off certain things from your life which are really not needed. When we see, when we discuss about 6 by 66 technique, this technique works amazingly when you really want to have a publicity, when you really want to see a future, when you really want to see yourself as a public figure, how exactly people should know you, how exactly your particular, say, if you are launching certain project, how to make that project successful. All these things come under 6 by 66 category. And then comes the most and most powerful and amazing technique, that is 7 by 77. This technique works 100% when you are looking for prosperity, when you are looking for a healthy relationship, when you are looking for everything which you really want in life, the abundance, prosperity, money, health, no matter what you are looking for, you will get it. 7 by 77 works amazingly. Now, how to use this technique? As I said, you write the intention with the proper number for number of days. Suppose if I am using 7 by 77 technique, write the intention 77 times for 7 days. Give a gap of 7 days. You will start seeing the results immediately. And if you are not able to see the results, do it with a faith. Finally, it has to come from your heart. It has to be a strong belief to make it work for you and then channelize your energies with the universe. Now, you will ask that how all these techniques were derived. I would like to throw some light on this. All these techniques come from an ancient numerology technique called Kabbalah. Kabbalah is an awesome technology, it's an awesome science which helps you to play with the numbers. Yes, it actually helps you to play with the numbers. You can make your life amazing. So use these techniques for making your life better by define the purpose and use the right tool. You will make your life amazing. So don't get carried away with the techniques. Understand the logic behind it and make it happen for you. Let these techniques be your slave. Don't be slave of these techniques. Use them for your benefit. Don't get used up. Fill your life with happiness. Fill your life with all the abundance, and I wish you your all dreams come true. These techniques work 100%. Thank you, friends.